Meaning of joint degree.
Joint degree.
Joint degree.
Joint degree.
Joint degree. A joint degree refers to a type of academic program offered by two or more universities, colleges, or other educational institutions. In a joint degree program, the participating institutions work together to create a curriculum which integrates the coursework and requirements of each individual program. This allows students to earn a single degree that is recognized by all participating institutions. Joint degrees are typically offered at the graduate level, but there are also undergraduate joint degree programs available. Some examples of joint degree programs include a JD/MBA, Juris Doctor/Master of Business Administration, and an MD/PhD, Doctor of Medicine/Doctor of Philosophy.